Hello guys. Today we are going to learn how to create an alert, bottom sheet, and snack bar with Mook in Unity. So let's get into it. I have this simple URP scene from the previous video. I have already installed Mook. And I have this button from the last video. We can show all those alerts using code. So let's create a script, and call it alert controller. Let's go to the script. Remove all the code. We will be using Mook. Let's create a simple function to show the alert. Call it show alert. We can show the alert by using Mook Alert Manager. Mook Alert Manager. Instance. Show. But before we show an alert, we need to set the title and message. Otherwise, it will show an empty alert. Let's set the title, Mook Alert Manager, instance, set title. For message, Mook Alert Manager, instance, set message. Then we can set how many buttons we want to show. We can set that by Mook Alert Manager, instance, set buttons. It takes an array of alert button. So let's create that. Alert button takes a title, color, and callback event. Let's create 2 buttons for now. Mook Alert can take up to 4 buttons. That's it. Easy. Let's go back to Unity. Select the controller object. Drag the newly created script to the object. Then select the button. Go to onClick. We have already assigned the controller to the event. Just need to select the right function to call. Let's enter play mode and see how it looks. Click the button. It will show the alert just like the native. Let's see how it looks on iOS. Go to Mook Setting, Mook App Data, and select the object. Change the platform type to iOS. Enter play mode. Click the button. It will show an iOS like native alert. When we click the button, it will display the message in the console. Bottom sheet is just like an alert. Let's go to the script and display the bottom sheet alert. Create a new function called show bottom sheet. Just like alert. But this time with Mook Bottom Action Sheet Manager. Same, set title. Set message. And set buttons. We can create 3 buttons this time. Button 1, Button 2, Button 3. With different colors and print messages. And for iOS only, we can set a cancel button. It is a button that displays separately at the bottom. It also takes an alert button object. Let's create a cancel button object. That's it. Let's go back to Unity. Select the button. And choose the new function we just created. Enter play mode. Click the button. It will show the bottom sheet with the cancel button that will print the message in the console. Let's see how it looks in dark mode. Change the dark mode to dark in the Mookh app data. Enter play mode. Click the button. Let's check for Material Design 2. Nice. And lastly, let's show a snack bar too. Go back to the code. Let me add a comment. This is for iOS only. Create a new function called show snack bar. Mookh snack bar manager. Instance. Show. We can set the title. We can set the button title and button callback too. The Mookh snack bar will disappear after a few seconds. If you want to hide it right after the user clicks the button, you can do so in the callback. Mookh snack bar manager. Instance. Hide. Let's go back to Unity. Choose the right function. Enter play mode, and click the button. Let's see for Material Design 2. This is it for today's video. Thanks for watching.